Today we are going to make an immunity booster drink which will avoid your cough and cold, especially useful in COVID situations. Here we need a small piece of ginger, a bit of jaggery and 1 lemon. This will make for 3 glasses. Grind the jaggery and ginger together. Now we mix the ground ginger jaggery mixture with the lemon juice and 2 to 3 glasses of water. See, a wonderful drink is ready here. It will remove all your respiratory problems and remove all the cough which is trapped in your lungs. And this drink will relieve constipation, cure cold,